In this tutorial, I will show you Gradient Mesh tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. I have already opened an Apple vector I have collected from Pixabay. So I need to select first the shape. Then either you can select this is mesh tool. You can see shortcut is U. Create and edit meshes and mesh envelopes, or you can click here. If you click here, you can see the anchor point, few anchor points created here. So if you want to create an line and vertical line, you just need to, you can see, and a plus sign has been appeared with the cursor. I am clicking here, and in this point where I was clicking, in that point a horizontal and vertical line has been created. So I can again create it as per need. Now you can see, if I create previous horizontal line, it will create only vertical line, or if I press new area, then it will create both horizontal and vertical line. So after that, I am quickly creating few more lines here and also making some horizontal line by clicking on the vertical path. After that, you need to select this. You need to click here on the anchor points and choose any color you want. So you can see, this is just clicking here and choose any color from the swatches. Also, here is lasso tool. You can easily select the anchor points here and click that color to quickly colorize the meshes anchor point. So I am clicking both here. So I am clicking both here, and now I need to select this selection tool, and this is direct selection tool. So I need to get help from these tools to working. Now I am clicking here, and with the lasso tool, I am making it slightly darker tone. Also that area, this is slightly darker, and in this area I am making it more lighter. So in this way you can colorize or mesh any shapes. Here is some messed up happened. You need to, this is separate shape, so you can click here and click mesh here, and I am clicking line here, and you can see now I am clicking and picking any green color. Now first of all, you need to select the anchor point. I am clicking here and make it a yellowish color. So now this is the color have been changed. You can also select the greenish color here. Also select, you can here, you can make it. Actually, you need to select the mesh to colorize them properly, and in this way you can colorize the vector shapes. you need to careful about that. I am making it in the left side. Now I am placing again that tool. I am placing it to show. Also, I am making it ungroup. There are several group has been made. So now I am here and I am object and create gradient mesh. So I am clicking and you can see here is 8 rows and 8 columns. You can select any row and any columns and create OK, and then select this tool, click here and select any color to colorize the shapes. So I hope you got this tool. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.